I got one for you today. This one here is a 2014 Toyota Camry. Needs an AC compressor. Manuals and everything want you to disassemble everything. Okay, let me show you something. Okay, like I said, manual and everything I see wants you to remove radiator, alternator, all this. Guys, let's just keep it simple here. Take the exhaust manifold off that has the converter on it. Okay, and then you can reach right in there, take the bolts out, pull the compressor out. So much simpler. Okay, remember guys, always keep it simple. Always evaluate what really needs to come off to get that out of there. I mean, could you imagine the time that I just saved by just removing the exhaust manifold out of the way? They want you to take radiator out, fans out, alternator off, all that stuff off just to get that AC compressor off there. So always remember, keep it simple. Thanks for watching. Check us out on YouTube, Auto Fixation.